What's up guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on your hotspot so that you can share your internet with others on your Android smartphone. So once you're on your phone guys, just do a swipe up and you want to look for settings, right? If you're not able to find the settings, just simply search at the top there, just simple type settings and you'll find it. Just need to go ahead and open it. From here, guys, you want to go ahead and you want to click on your connections. Yeah. So once you click on your connections, you want to scroll to where it says mobile hotspot and tether, and you want to click on that. And from here, you have the option to turn on the mobile hotspot. So once you click on that, it will say turn on. Go ahead and turn this on. And from here, it will be turned on. So when you go ahead and click on it again, you will be able to see like your network, what the name is, and also the password. You can always go ahead and tap on it again and change the name to whatever you want, as well as the password. And you can always go ahead and make whatever changes you want and then simple click and save once you're done. But that's all there is to it, guys. You can easily go ahead and share your hotspot with others and they'll be able to connect and use your internet from your data. Very easy and very simple. If you find this useful, go ahead, give this video a like. And if you have any question, feel free to let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.